GMP Trucking YouTube channel. I'm Jim Davis, and in this video I'm going to be talking with you drivers about how to get your truck serviced here at GMP Trucking. If you take care of your equipment will take care of you. There are 3 ways that you can request service. As far as PMs go, the preventative maintenance, just get with your dispatch, or your dispatch will get with you as that time approaches. When getting your truck serviced here in Greer, best practice is to go ahead and unhook from your trailer and park in the shop parking area. The service kiosk is located front and center right here in the shop area, but it has a keyboard and a screen. Our service request we do at the kiosk. Once it's completed, it's going to go right into the shop's computer. But you want to fill out the information at the top where you'll put your driver ID, you'll put your truck number. There's 2 different boxes. Power unit, which that will be your tractor, and towed units, that will be a trailer. This is where you'll enter all the information that the shop needs to get you back on the road as soon as possible. All you do is just put your driver ID, your truck ID. You'll want to drop down the box for Greer and the waiting status. Be accurate on your driver's status. If you are waiting in the middle of a shift, definitely let the shop know that. But if you're on a 34-hour reset, we'll let them know that as well. But in the power unit section, this is where if there's any type of defects, anything that needs to be checked out, you'll put the check box. Otherwise, you can just type it in the remarks section. When you're done, just use the mouse and click add, and that will send it to the shop's computer. Fortunately for us GNP drivers, we're with a company that believes in being driver-centric, so I always like to just check with the shop to make sure that came through. That way you can actually talk to the shop technician, let them know exactly what's going on, and both of you can walk away with the proper expectations. If using the Greer terminal for your maintenance needs does not work because you're in Kentucky, no worries. Just do your macro 15. Let the maintenance department know exactly what's going on. They will contact you, and based upon the situation, we'll determine a solution. Especially if it's out on the road, we can use the Petros, the TAs, the Loves. Or if you're in newer equipment, which I know a lot of GMP drivers are, the dealerships, like the International dealership or the Kenworth. But utilize the resources that you have, drivers, here at GMP. If a check engine light or anything happens, maintenance wants to know about it, and you can do that with a simple macro 15. Once again, if you take care of your equipment will take care of you. But communication is the key, drivers, and that is a 2-way street. That's both parties' responsibility. If your truck's going to be down for a period of days, reach out to Breakdown, reach out to your dispatcher about getting a loaner truck. But taking care of the equipment starts with the driver that the equipment is signed to do your pre-trips and post-trips every single drive shift. And when something's not right with the truck, whether it's a check engine light, a noise that it's making, do your macro 15 so the maintenance department can be alerted to it, and they will respond accordingly. If at all possible, get your PMs and your maintenance done here at the Greer yard. You use the kiosk to submit your service request. Check with the shop so you can talk with them. They'll give you an accurate expectation of when you will be ready to roll again. But if you have any questions, drivers, just drop them in the comments. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video.